got me with a bag with nigga, hold up. If you ever try to play me, nigga, you the hold up. Hold up, always got what I wanted.
Hey squad, that's my squad, that's my squad. Hey squad, that's my squad, that's my squad. Hey squad. Hey you guys, it's your girl T, and I am back with another banger for you guys. So today, I will be opening up my Boxycharm. I am super excited. Before we get into this video, I would like everybody to pause this video, scroll down below, subscribe, like, and comment, and let me know what more you guys would like to see from your girl. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, you guys, so I am here with my lucky Boxycharm. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it first. For the most part, I've seen a lot of different people, you know, talking about this one box. And so I was like, okay, let me see what it's all about. So I go to the website and you know, scroll and read through, and I see that it got like a lot of good products come in this one box for like a month of subscription. And I don't know, you know, this is my first initial reaction. As you can see, it is still sealed, so I have not opened it yet, but I'm super excited, so I decided to open it on camera with you guys, and let's see what is in this box. And we are gonna get right into the box, okay? I am super excited. It is makeup. And what you pretty much do is you set like your profile up depending on, like, you know, what you like, and they send you 5 products each month, or you could get like the bigger box, and I can't remember how many is in the bigger box, so I went with the small box to see how it was first, and then I'm gonna probably upgrade to the larger box. But OMG, you guys, look. Hashtag Boxycharm on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat. So you guys, the inside of this box is super cute, and I am super excited. But no, you guys, I am stoked about this box, okay? Because it comes with top-notch products. You know what I'm saying? Just for like a monthly subscription, it's not bad at all. Okay, you guys, I know y'all tired of me talking. I know you're like, let's see what's in that box. So let's see what's in this box, okay? So first and foremost, we have a card, okay? A powder brush, and a soft glow brush. I'm super excited. I cannot stress that enough, y'all. Like, super excited. And this is priced at, let me see, this is priced at $29.99, y'all. These 2 brushes right here. It's a powder brush and a soft glow brush. And I'm super excited. Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So I'm guessing this is a mask to help your face. I don't know how it smells yet. I don't know. And it's not even like small products. It's like real life sized products. It smells pretty good. And then that is priced at $34, y'all. So okay, we already at a good $50-$60 of products. And then we have long lasting liquid lipstick in Ofra. And I'm super excited about this as well because it looks pretty decent. Yes, Boxycharm. Okay. And then that is priced at $20. And then we have a liquid eyeshadow. Ooh. Appeal liquid eyeshadow. See. Oh, maybe around this way. Nope, this way. Y'all, look at this. It's still shut, so I can't really open it right now. But so pretty. So pretty. So, that's 4. And that liquid eyeshadow is $21. Okay? But not least. Wait, first of all, let's get into how they have this box up in here. Okay? So protected. So protected. If it's a palette down here, so freaking protected. This is so like foam, so it won't break your palette won't get broke. Let's go with that. Okay, so this is a protective face palette. $45. $45 freaking dollars. Okay, it's for blending and flawless application. Okay, so let's get into this, y'all. Let's get into this palette. Okay, let's get into this palette. We have highlighter, okay, contour, okay, finishing powder, okay, blush, highlighter, and a brightener. Y'all, we doing something. Okay, I really love this box. Like, I'm super excited, and I think this, yes, this peels off. This is actually a mirror, but it has plastic on it at the moment, and I am super excited. Like, look at that highlight. Wait a minute. Look at that highlight, y'all. Oh my god. Look at that blush, and you don't even have to, you know, wipe really hard, y'all. And the highlighters are in the color Starlight. The contour is Silhouette. The finishing powder is Stellar. The brightener is Moonbeam. The other highlighter is Divine, and the blush is Sublime. I'm super, and it's for light medium skin tones. Super excited. Yeah, y'all. I got in my Boxycharm this month. I'm super excited. I am so ready to try these products. So I want to find things that are going to enhance my makeup bag. So I found Boxycharm, and I am super excited about what's coming next, and I'm excited about what came this time. You know, I was tracking like crazy, waiting for these packages, you know. So I am so grateful and so thankful. My Boxycharm did not fail me, you guys. I love this box already. It is so worth the subscription amount, but it's up to you to choose which one you would like to pay. You guys, what I received in my Boxycharm, yours could be totally different depending on what you like and what you don't like. So I I would advise everyone to scroll down below. The link for Boxycharm will be in the description below, and I advise everyone to try it out. Just give it a try, because just maybe you will be as excited as I am. Okay, if you love makeup just as much as I do, I'm pretty sure, I know for a fact, that Boxycharm will not let you down. Okay, so with that being said, I want everybody to subscribe to my channel, click the like button. Let's get it to about 10 likes, and follow all my social medias. It will be in the link in the description below and at the end of the video. And sorry you guys, I came looking a hot mess, but I had to get on this camera and show you guys what I received. But that is all for this video. Stay tuned for the next. I'm out. Peace.